Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds p and b. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them, together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the p sound in the word pie, pie, pie. Now the b sound in the word buy, buy, buy. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Please buy a pie. Please buy a pie. Please buy a pie. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!